Am I just talking for no reason? You say, yes, Jeff. I don't like it.
I'm listening. No, I don't. I told you not to smoke anymore.
That's it. It's over.
But you don't listen to me. I tell you that, and then you go grab another ciggy.
I didn't grab any ciggies today.
Yeah, well, you don't know. By the end of the night, you might.
Okay. If I don't smoke at all today, it's getting dirty in here later. Deal?
Deal.
How dirty?
Too dirty to clean my
What?
I'm saying Christina Aguilera. So.
What if I don't smoke for like 3 days in a row? Is it bounce chicka bounce bounce time?
Jeff!
What? I need some incentive.
No.
What? What was that?
You can wait.
For what?
I don't know.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
Are you giving me clues? Is there a hidden meaning?
No.
Oh, I get it.
What?
I know what you mean.
No, I don't know what you mean. What do you mean?
I got it. Don't worry.
What do you mean?
Don't worry about it. I got it.
You don't know what you mean.
Yeah, I do. I know what you mean. And you mean business.
Do you know what day this is?
Well, Lydia left on 47. Russell left on 54.
That was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 54, 50, today's 57. Jeez. I thought they went up today like 80, 90. Didn't you?
I thought they got to like 80. No, 70 something, right?
I thought it was like up there.
Well, maybe if they have 14 house guests, it is.
Have they ever had 14 house guests?
I think so.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
14 makes it longer. I thought they had that double eviction, but... Hey, are we right? Is that right? Maybe our numbers are way fucking off and we're idiots. Yeah, what day will... It'll be 61, right? Yeah. No, 54. Yeah, 61. This Thursday. Then there's 2 more weeks after that, so 61, 68, 75. Plus, there's a couple more days after that. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So it's close to 80. 70 something. What? Just say it. Whatever. Go. Say it.
I'm not saying anything.
Just say it. Because you know it's all that's in your head, and no matter what story I tell, that's in your head. So just say it. What's up? What's up?
I'm not saying anything.
What's on your mind?
Nothing. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking, Jeff. What? Where's my kiss? Why'd you flick me off?
I don't know, because you're being fishy.
With what?
I don't like fishy business.
What do you mean I'm being fishy? How can I be fishy?
I wish we were fishing.
Let's pretend we're fishing. No, don't do that with your lip.
There's a fish.
Oh, I thought it was a kiss.
I used to be able to do, like, move it, yeah, but without holding it. Oh, that looks kind of weird. I don't know if I like that.
Do your monkey.
I can't. You do that, monkey. Do your ears. You look so weird. Whoville. We call that fat kid at work Whoville, because he takes like the Grinch.
No, you don't look like the Grinch. You look like a Whoville guy.
The Grinch is Whoville.
No, Whoville is the town.
Right, but he's from there.
Yeah, no, Jeff, but there's more people.
Who are you getting fucking angry with?
There's more people that are Whovilles than the Grinch. You look like one of the people in Whoville. When you when you do your face like that.
Yeah, but the Grinch, what I'm saying is, where was the Grinch born?
In Whoville.
Okay, so what are you talking about?
But you're making it seem. But the Grinch wasn't original Whoville. The Grinch was.
He grew up. He played.
Yes, because
Little League Baseball in Whoville.
No,
they said that.
Remember they
Whoville
were
Park District.
Dropping the babies, from the sky, and then they landed on the front doorstep, and he was a mess up. So he wasn't supposed to be a Whoville.
Oh, see, I don't even know the story. I was just fucking with you.
I was watching the movie. I'm talking about the movie with Jim Carrey.
Oh, I think I saw that. So, but he looks like one of the Whoville people.
I mean, because he's got this, but he's not like a Whoville like person because he's
Whoville,
green.
Yeah, Whoville people look more like people, but with
yes, the Whoville people are people, and
with Whoville characteristics. Like that. What? Well, I didn't know you get so animate about animated.
I don't. You're just not listening. When we leave here, you go home and watch The Grinch.
Really? How about you go home and get away from me right now if you talk to me like that again? You get scared.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You were like, I'm sorry, Jeff.
Yeah, shut up. You know you'd miss me.
You're gonna miss me.
You're gonna miss me.
I'm sure we'll be fine. We'll get texts like crazy.
What?
What?
We'll get texts like crazy?
Yeah, we'll text each other.
Oh, okay. I was thinking too deep into it.
Yeah, what were you thinking? What were you thinking? Come on, let's laugh at it.
No, I was thinking of what I told you about my friend Big Texas, and then I thought you said being.
So when I say we're gonna text each other, it's like.
No, I thought you said I
it means we're gonna text each other.
I thought you meant Texas, and I was like, huh?
I can't wait to get out of here and text you.
I send you annoying text messages all the time.
I have a feeling you might. Like the dumbest ones. all the time, but I'm gonna laugh.
I know. I'm like, oh my god, OMG, what are you doing? And then at the end of everything, I'll put TTY.
That's so funny. I can't believe I never heard of that before. That's why it's funny.
Or I'll be like, hey, stupid, what are you doing?
Luminous.
Oh yeah, I can mail you some of that stuff. I can get it for really cheap. You know, just to think for that shampoo that I have, guess how much it is?
$35.
$28.
That's a lot.
For that thing of shampoo, but I get a
For
discount.
the booster?
For the boosters, no, the booster's $28. And I think the shampoo's $28. And then the mask is $38.
And you only use it one time?
No, I always use the shampoo.
What's the mask?
The mask you put on after the booster. It's a 3-step process.
A mask for your hair?
Yeah, it's like a deep conditioning. Okay, so listen. You do the shampoo.
Luminous?
And then Luminous. And then you have the Luminous booster. And then that is kind of like to bump it up, you know? Like make it shiny. Then after you wash that out, then you have, it's like in a square thing like this. It's like a mask. You put that on after you let it sit 5 to 10 minutes in your hair. Rinse it out. And then your blonde looks like bam.
How about my hair? Would it be...
I don't know if it would...
softer?
No, oh yeah, but you don't need all that. It's mainly, Luminous is mainly for blondes because it's got like, you know, like those.
So you could totally notice.
Yeah, oh, I can, every time I use it, every time if I put on that mask after and like my ends are cut and they look better than they do now, everybody's like, oh my god, your hair, you're blonde, or like I always get compliments on it and I'm like, oh my god, it's Luminous. I'm serious. God, but I can't wait. When I get home, I'm going to get my hair done, get it colored, get my eyebrows done, get it fixed again.
I use like the shittiest shampoo. Like whatever's cheap.
Wait. When you're on, if you were on Survivor, they don't have tweezers, do they? So you'd have like a unibrow.
Me?
Well, guys and girls. Because you can't pluck your
Yeah, you're
eyebrows.
only there for like 30 days.
On Survivor?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, I think you're only there for like a month.
No.
Yeah.
I think it's longer than that.
No, because when Ronnie was here, we were talking about it, and he's like, dude, it'll already be over right now. If we started at the same time, he's like, it'd be over.
Why is it so short?
I don't know, because they don't want to starve people for fucking 3 months. I think it's only like 30 or 40 days.
For real?
I think so, yeah.
Alright. So,
I knew some guy who was on Survivor. Some guy, Sean.
Continue. You buy bad hair things? Bad hair shampoo?
Yeah. That's all. That was the end of that story.
Well, you need to start buying better shampoo.
But I'm not paying $30 for shampoo.
I'm telling you, I get a discount. I get 45-50% off the product.
It's expensive, that shit. And does it even make a difference for a guy?
No, I can get you guys shampoo. I can get a big bottle.
Oh, did you ever... One of my friends, there was a girl...
One of my friends... Okay, continue.
Well, she had this shampoo, like, you'd put it in, and it would, like, kind of tingle.
We don't have that.
It was fucking awesome. Like, no, it was the conditioner, I think. You put the conditioner in and leave it, and it kind of, like, tingled.
Why does it tingle?
Your scalp. I don't know. It fucking felt so cool. I remember, I'm like, dude, what is that stuff? I get, like, so excited with, like, products.
Well...
Because I'm not used to them, you know what I mean?
Okay. You know, like a big liter?
Of Luminous?
No. Luminous doesn't come in liters, but I can get a big bottle like this big. It's probably about that wide. And it's normally $26.50. I can get it for $12.75.
That much shampoo? Mm-hmm. It'll last me like 2 years.
That's what I'm telling you. I can get you shampoo if you want some good stuff. I can get you...
How is good stuff, this much shampoo, $12 good?
No, it's good because I get a discount. I get a discount.
Well, still, 28 doesn't sound...
$26.50 is a lot, I think. for shampoo.
Where are you getting all this screaming from? Is it because I scream a lot and now it's rubbing off on you?
Probably. No, because I'm trying to make a point. When I try to make a point.
Listen,
okay.
First of all, we're going to settle down, okay? You're going to reach over there nicely and grab my iced tea.
So.
Thank you.
I think that's a lot for shampoo. Because, I mean, you could just go buy Herbal Essence or Pantene Pro V, and that stuff's not that good.
What could I buy?
Herbal Essence or Pantene Pro V, and that's like 8 something.
Herbal?
Herbal Essence.
Oh, man.
I'm done.
Herbal.
You know, oh, yes. In the commercial.
Isn't it herbalist?
No, it's herbal. H-E-R.
Like Herbie. It's herb. It's like herbal essence. Holy shit. I love it. I need a fucking CD of all of this stuff. I wonder if they could get somebody on that case.
That was my stomach.
Dude, you better let something out.
I swear I didn't fart. That was my stomach.
Wow.
I know, that made a weird noise. It's like a bubble in your butt.
Herbal.
Essence.
Did you ever smoke any herb? My buddies like to smoke a lot of herb.
Do they?
One of them loves it. If I was a cow... No, if I was a cow, I would say... No, I'd say, yes, I'd like to eat grass.
I know, but I'm saying, are you going to, like, do noises too?
No, I'm not going to.
Yeah, you have to.
At the end, when you get it.
If it's a pig or something, you have to go...
At the end, if you get it.
Okay.
Alright, so you have to get it in, what, 5 questions? Let's see.
First, let's see how good we are, and then we'll ask. Okay?
Okay, I'm going to get it. I got an animal.
You do? Okay. What do you eat?
No, you have to ask me questions.
I know, that's what I'm asking you. What do you eat?
I think they're yes, no. What do I eat?
Yeah.
I think I eat grass. I think I eat grass.
You don't eat any other, like, animals?
No.
Okay. Just grass?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm not really sure.
I'm
pretty sure, though. I think I eat, like, grass and leaves and whatever's around on the prairie.
Are you a cow?
No, I'm not a cow.
Are you a sheep?
No, I'm not a sheep.
Grass. A goat.
No, I'm not by any of those animals. I don't live by any of those animals at all. I'm not even in the same country.
What? Are you furry?
I have really nice... People like my fur. Yeah.
Okay.
I have a very distinct pattern.
That eats grass? It doesn't eat other animals?
Yep.
Is this a hard one?
No. Just keep asking questions.
Okay. Where would I find you?
See, that's too general. Where would I find me? Besides the zoo? Africa?
You're a giraffe.
No, but they're around where I'm at.
A kangaroo?
In Africa?
don't know. Stop yelling at me!
A kangaroo in Africa, and what distinct pattern do kangaroos have?
I forgot about that part. Stop! Okay.
Oh, you get me like angry. Africa, distinct pattern.
Hang on, shut up. Listen. Trying to...
Keep asking questions.
I know, I'm thinking of one. Can I say something like, can you kind of, besides the distinct patterns, kind of describe yourself a little bit? Like, do you have ears, no ears? Do you have...
I'm very horse-like.
You're a zebra.
Wow.
I got it.
I need a 5-minute break.
Really?
No, I was joking.
Okay, you go.
You got one?
Yeah.
Is it an African kangaroo?
No.
They were not laughing at it. I'm sorry.
I get so mad at you because you yell it out and you make me look bad.
You don't think they're laughing behind, like, on the camera? Like, did she just say that? Well, I'm the one who points out because they're doing other work and they're like, hey, what did Jeff just say?
No, I hate when you do that. You call me out and you make me look bad because you're like, are you serious? You missed that? I forgot that you said that it had distinctive stripes. I was just thinking about, I pictured kangaroos in Africa.
You forgot, I said distinctive stripes and Africa, and then you just blurted out kangaroo. What are you talking about? You forgot. It was the next question after I just said that.
No, but don't call me out like that anymore.
I'm not calling you out. It's just something.
No, you get mad and then you're like, and then you say that and it makes me mad. So, stop. Okay, your turn to go.
The worst is I go in there and they ask me fucking questions about it. Like, what do you want me to say? At this point, I don't know. I don't know what to say anymore.
Okay, go!
Alright, sorry, what? Alright. Are you a reptile or an animal?
An animal.
Alright. Can I find you at the zoo?
Yeah,
Are you furry? Do you have fur?
I have fur.
You have fur. Are you originally found in Africa?
I think you can find me in Africa. I don't know. Yeah, you find me in Africa because I don't think they have any. I don't think there are. No,
Are you a safari animal?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Are you... do you have any pattern on your skin?
Yeah,
You do?
I do.
Is it kind of like a zebra?
It is a zebra.
What?
It is. It's a zebra. Oh, no. Never mind. Okay, sorry. No, I was thinking of something else.
See, now you're just acting stupid.
Yeah, I was thinking a giraffe. I was thinking you said giraffe, and that's why I was like, yeah, there it is. Let's do a different one.
Come on. I hate when you act dumb.
I'm not. I accidentally said, I thought you meant giraffe, and that's why I said yeah.
And I didn't even say zebra. I said, are you like...
But you're get to the giraffe. Let's do another one.
I was actually getting to a tiger, but...
Oh. Okay, I got one.
And I'll just do it.
No, I got one.
Do you know what it is?
I know what it is. Ask me.
Are you an animal or a reptile?
Reptile.
Are you a snake?
Yes. Do me.
You got it.
You got one?
No, not yet.
Don't do a hard one.
Well, it's gotta kind of be hard. Okay, go.
Alright. Are you furry?
No.
Are you... what do you eat?
I don't know.
Do you eat...
I eat like hay. I think I eat like fish and stuff. I think I do eat meat, but I eat a lot of hay and stuff too, I think. I don't know what the fuck they eat. I think they eat meat though too. Or I eat meat. I think, I don't know. I'm not positive about what I eat.
Do I find you on a farm?
No.
Are you... Are you... Are you cute?
Maybe in cartoons, but not in real life. Well, I'm not only to throw you off of the cartoons. I'm not... I don't know.
So don't find you on a farm. You eat hay, maybe fish.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I eat. Get rid of the eating question.
Okay. Did I ask if you're furry? Did I ask that?
Yeah, no.
You're not furry. What color are you? Do you have patterns?
No patterns. I'm kind of purplish.
Purple?
Kind of. That's what color you describe me as.
Purple?
Grayish purple.
Ugh. You're not furry? Gray purple. Are you in water?
Mm-hmm.
You're an octopus.
No, but that was good.
Close? Jellyfish? They're kind of...
No,
Purple?
you're drifting.
So, do you live in water?
No, but I go into water a lot because it gets too hot.
And you're grayish purple color? A hippo... No, that's gray. Hang on, am I getting close?
You were really, really, really close.
What I was just about to say?
Yeah.
But they're... A hippopotamus?
Yeah. They're not...
Purple?
They don't have a purple tint?
No, they're gray.
I don't know about all
A
that.
hippopotamus is like... Are you colorblind? They do not have a purple tint, Jeff.
Do you want to bet?
No, hippopotamuses are gray.
I bet you they have a purple tint. Elephants are gray. They don't look like elephants. They're kind of purple too.
Elephants are good. You just said that, really?
Elephants are gray.
I thought you said elephants have a purple tint too. I was about to say, Jeff, are you serious?
No, elephants are gray. And
Hippopotamuses do not have a purple tint.
yes, they do.
No, they don't. No, they don't.
Okay, who are you going to believe? Yourself or me?
Myself.
Natalie! What? Come here.
Oh, God, Jeff.
What color would you describe a hippopotamus as?
Gray. See?
But do they have a purplish tint?
No.
What do you mean no?
He said, we're playing a game, we're trying to guess what animal we are, and he was like, he said he had a purple tint, and he's sometimes with the water, and I'm sitting there like, a purple tint?
Dude, hippopotamus
Hippopotamuses are gray.
with some purple.
No!
Yes, they are.
You're tripping.
You are tripping.
I don't think so. Send someone else in
You've been
here.
smoking the herb.
Dude, I'm telling you, they're kind of purple.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
We can argue about this the whole day.
Go into
But
DR
it's
and
not
ask
gonna
him.
go- No, I'm not.
Jeff, I agree with you on the nectarine and peach, but this one, Jordan's right.
See?
I beg to differ.
Wow. All right, I got one.
They're not just no, they're purple. I'm sticking with it. They have a purple tint. They're not even gray. They're purplish.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not either
But-
because I'm right.
No, you're
What do you want to
not.
bet on? What do you want to bet on it? I'll bet on it.
Okay, what do you want to bet?
I don't know. Whatever you're willing to lose.
That, I don't know. But I don't think when I see a hippopotamus.
You send me some tingly conditioner
Yeah,
if they're purple.
right.
And if they're all gray, I'll send you some tingly conditioner.
Okay,
Deal?
deal. Okay.
Smoke it.
All right. Next. All right. Next one. Now it's my turn. Or your turn. Let me think of one. Okay. I got one.
Okay, do you live on a farm?
No.
Okay, are you an animal or
Yes.
a reptile?
Animal.
You don't live on a farm, you're an animal. Are you furry?
Yes.
Are you white?
No.
Okay, do you have horns?
No, I have ears.
As other animals who use their horns as ears, right? Alright, so you use your ears. You have a mouth?
Yes.
Alright. Fuck, I'm drifting. I'm not focused. Like the fucking stupid pictures. Okay, you're not a farm animal. You have ears. And a mouth. Okay. Are you cuddly?
Yeah, I think I could be. I think I am sometimes.
Yeah, but like like just looking at you, but if you really cuddled you, you'd get mauled? Or
No, I think I would cuddle.
a koala bear?
No. Close.
A panda bear?
No.
Those things are fucking
This
pissed.
might give it away. When I poop, I throw it at you.
Monkey?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have kept me guessing. I was off the track.
Okay, you go.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I got one.
Okay. Do you live in water?
No, I do not.
Are you furry?
Yes, but furry doesn't describe me. You know what I'm saying? You have to keep asking questions
Okay.
around that.
What do you eat?
Fruits and nuts and stuff.
Where do you live?
Warm climates.
Are you an African animal?
I think I got some cousins in Africa. I'm all over in warm climates.
What color are you?
I come in all different colors. Bright colors.
Bright colors. A peacock?
Mm-mm.
Are you like a bird like?
Yes, I am.
Please don't play with your microphone wire.
Okay.
Not only am I bird-like, I am a bird.
You're a bird? And you have bright colors.
Bright colors. I come in many colors.
I would really think a peacock.
Yeah, well, you'd be thinking wrong.
Bird with bright colors?
I don't know about bright colors, but I come in many colors. That yes, they're bright. They're not hot pink or anything, but they're nice colors.
A parrot?
Yeah. Good job.
You should have said pirate.
You should have said pirate. I'm just giving you the answers.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Are you a reptile or animal?
Reptile.
Do you have a hard shell?
I don't have a shell. I'm hard.
Me too. Okay, you're hard, but you don't have a shell. You're a reptile. It's hard, but it's not a shell. Do you live in water?
Yes. And I go in water and I'm out of water.
You're both, huh? Mm-hmm. Could you breathe underwater?
Oh,
Or just hold your breath?
I don't know if I breathe underwater.
Okay.
I kind of float at the top.
Oh, okay. You're an alligator.
Yeah. Do they breathe underwater?
I don't think so. I think they hold their breath. But they can hold it for like 40 minutes, but then they have to come up for air.
Jeez.
Yeah, they don't have gills or anything.
Jordan,
Stop.
please don't play with your microphone wire.
Okay, go.
Oh, I gotta think of one. Hold on. Hold up. We're expanding this game from animals to all creatures. Mm-hmm. Me likey. I'm gonna try to give you a harder one, I think. I'm gonna give it. Okay, go.
Do you live in water?
No, but I like the water.
Do you...
I'm both.
Do you have legs?
My legs, yeah, but they're kind of connected to my body. They're really, if I do, they're really, really small. But yes, they're obviously I have legs because of evolution, but they're not really, they're not really legs. Do I have fucking legs? What are those things?
Are you a snake?
No, I mean, it's when you, maybe, fuck, it's hard to describe, but I don't know the answer.
What color are you?
Well, you have to ask me colors, and I'll tell you.
Are you black, brown, green?
Yeah, I'm mostly black.
Are you ugly?
No, cute.
You're cute? No legs?
I have legs.
Where do I find you?
Cold climate.
Oh my god, a penguin. That's what you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do they have legs, penguins?
Yeah, they walk.
I know, but they don't really walk. They don't have kneecaps, that's for sure.
Yeah, they got legs.
Yeah, but little tiny ones.
Yeah, but they hobble like this.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. So I don't know if they really have legs. They might just
I
have.
would call them feet.
They're like Mr. Potato Head.
Kind of, yeah. But
Yeah,
it's
they
like
have feet,
Yeah, but
but they don't really have legs. That's a weird question. I never.
They
even-
would-
They have to have legs connecting
Yeah, that's what I
to their
mean.
body, but you don't see them. Maybe because of the feathers or something. But they have to.
They don't have. It's because they're fur.
Yeah, they're feathered. Yeah.
They don't have feathers. Aw, penguins. You should have said fat.
You were asking the questions.
I know. I'm just saying, like, when I give you hints. Okay, go.
What do I do? Guessing? Okay, are you an animal or a reptile?
I live in water.
Okay, are you some kind of fish?
Yes.
So I have to guess the fish?
Yes.
Okay. Do you live in salt water or fresh water?
I think you only find them in salt water.
Okay, are you a dolphin?
No.
Okay. Do you have big teeth?
They might not be big. I guess if I was a little shark, they'd be little, but but if
Are you a shark?
God dang it.
Is that far? And the answer to that question was, yeah, I have big teeth if you were a shark. Dude, you ripped them.
I couldn't hold it back.
But it was like,
He said, let's dance.
what?
That was my part, so they're like, let's dance. Okay, your turn.
Okay, go.
Are you black, brown, pink? What color are you?
We should just do yes, no question. Or I don't care. I'm white.
Sheep,
No.
panda, or they live in cold climates. Polar bear.
Yeah. Wow. That was fast.
What's another game?
You know, I think polar bears are black under their white fur. They have
No,
Black skin.
no, I think they're white.
What?
I don't think they're black underneath their skin. No.
I think they are. I think I heard that somewhere.
Why is that?
Because the black absorbs more heat.
Is that why? Cause so they can live.
I don't know. I just heard that somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure like I am about the hippopotamus. Was that another one?
No, I just think if you know, like where polar bears live, you know how it's freezing cold when they get in that water. You know, like wouldn't you? You know how some people like when they're in there, you would just like freeze.
Mm-hmm.
Like, is that like the black in their fur? Is that what makes them not like?
No, their
Freeze?
fat makes them not freeze.
Really?
Yeah, you know, like seals and walrus, you know, they live in the freezing cold like that, but they're so fat that their blubber keeps them warm. What?
Really?
Yeah, I swear to God. What do you think? Well, yeah.
Okay.
Why? Because I used the word blubber? You didn't believe me? I wish I had a friend named Blubber.
What else do you want to play?
You're done with?
Oh, no, I thought you were done.
Oh, am I guessing? Oh, you guess polar bear.
Yeah, I know.
Who am I? Who's guessing?
Me? Or you're asking me the question.
Okay. Are you? Do you live on land or in water?
Land.
Okay. Are you an animal or reptile?
Animal.
Okay. You're furry, I take it.
No.
No?
Well, I'm not furry, but I got
At first
some
glance.
hair.
At first glance, people would say you have no fur.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think... Well, never mind. That'll give it away. Okay, never mind.
Are you an elephant?
No, wait. Maybe at first glance. Because some... Okay, no, I do have fur. I do... I have hair.
Okay. Are you an elephant?
No.
Are you found on a farm?
Yes.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
A pig?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess they do have a little bit of fur.
Because some of them are
Some,
full,
yeah.
and some of them are
Yeah, I know what you
naked.
mean. Yeah, some of them have, like, spots.
Yeah, so I guess it's weird. Okay, my turn.
Or is that just, like, pink fur? I don't know. I don't know if I ever jumped on a pig. But I think they have fur. A little
Some
bit.
of them do. Their tails have fur.
Okay. Little piggy. I'm thinking of a good one. Who they started laughing? Is it from in here or is this coincidence?
Might have been coincidence.
Yeah, it might have been. Okay, go.
Can I find you in a zoo?
Yes, but it's... Yes, I would say yes.
Do you live in Africa or another weird country?
Mm-mm. I live
In the U.S.
in the U.S. U.S. and Canada.
Are you furry?
Yeah, I'm not furry, but I have fur. You know?
You got hair.
No, not hair.
Are you big or little?
Compare me to something.
Like elephant big?
No, I'm little.
Like koala bear little?
Oh, yeah, I'm about, maybe, I'm around that size.
Okay. Are you mean?
No, but I look mean.
A gorilla.
No. A gorilla that's a koala bear size?
Sorry, I was thinking that's something that looks mean. You look.
Your clues, you might be way off with your clues. You gotta go more in detail of what you asked. Because my answers
Do
were
you have
vague.
feet?
Feet?
Yeah. Like legs and feet.
Yes, but they're not called feet. But yes, I have legs and feet. You're way off. We're not even close right now because the questions you asked are not right. Or the answers that you got were not right. Because you didn't go into detail.
Are you reptile?
No.
Are you... Do you have sharp teeth?
No. I don't have teeth.
If I were to find you, where would I find you?
What do you mean?
Like, where do you normally hang out?
In a tree. At the top
A
of it.
monkey?
Nope.
In a tree. Can you fly?
Mm-hmm.
An owl.
No.
I think owls look mean. An eagle.
Yes.
Gotcha.
I didn't think you were going to get that. Just because your questions were way off. Or they were way off. Shit. I'm tired.
What else should we play?
You look tan.
Do I?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's my blue. What else can we play?
Oh, that was a good one, though.
I got one. Guess what it is?
Hmm.
This is the last and final one. Ask questions.
Oh, an animal? Oh, are you an animal or reptile?
Animal.
Animal? You furry?
I wouldn't say furry. I got hair. I'm
Okay.
covered in hair.
Okay. Are you on a farm?
No.
At a zoo?
Yes.
Okay. You have feathers?
No.
Yeah, a bird. At a zoo. You go in the water?
No.
No. You're furry.
Not furry. I got hair.
We got hair.
Kind of like a horse, you know?
Yeah. Like that silky smooth hair.
I don't think it's probably sticky smooth.
Silky.
Yeah.
What's up, Purple Hippo?
Everybody's sleeping.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, Kevin's sleeping down here.
She's still up there sleeping? Better wash the sheets.
What the fuck? That's like,
It's his room.
it's like 3 o'clock though.
It's 2:30.
Maybe she didn't sleep last night.
Because we were up all being loud.
No, she was scared to sleep in with me. I might strangle her in her sleep.
I still gotta get this.
Yeah.
You have spots? Any pattern?
No.
Do you live here? Or are you like from Africa?
Natalie, please put on your microphone.
I think,
I left it in the bathroom.
yeah, I think you can find me in Africa or another country.
Are you a horse?
No.
Are you a cow?
No. You're off.
You eat meat?
I don't know what they eat. I think they might eat grass, maybe. I don't know. I don't really know much about what I eat.
Are they small? Are you small?
No, I'm not big like a horse big, but I kind of would be like a human size, maybe. Like if I was standing up.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a dog?
No, dogs aren't human size.
If they stand up on their hind legs? My brother's dog is.
No, keep going.
I think most of these animals are brown.
The rain's shutting down.
Most of them are brown.
Are you
And
cute?
I wouldn't say cute. I can be mean. I hop around.
Kangaroo?
Yeah.
You went back to fucking kangaroo?
Yeah, because I knew you wouldn't guess that again. Alright, I'm done. It's another game.
I don't know.
No, don't go to sleep. Wake up. I can't believe everybody's sleeping.
It's because there's nothing else to do.
I know, I told him, I was like, I just feel like being lazy today.
I think when it's down this far, they should do things like every day. Have things every day for us.
Yeah. I remember last season, I think when it was down to like 4 or 5 of them, I remember Memphis was sitting outside with Keisha and he was like, oh, this is so boring. I don't know. Is there another fun game we can play? I could probably go to sleep right now.
Then you'll be up till 5 in the morning.
I know. I'm just bored right now. What time is it?
2:30.
That's it?